Sink trap leaking because of cracked plastic nuts is one of those annoying problems that can totally ruin your day and mess up your kitchen or bathroom. So, here's the deal. First, turn off the water supply, because you don't want to make a bigger mess, right? Then, grab a bucket to catch any leftover water when you loosen those nuts. Plastic nuts on sink traps get brittle over time, especially if they've been exposed to hot water or harsh cleaners, so swapping them out with new ones made from durable materials like brass or reinforced plastic is usually the best move. When you're tightening the new nuts, don't crank them down too hard or you'll risk cracking them again. Just snug is perfect. Also, check the washers inside the trap, since a worn-out washer can cause leaks even if the nuts look fine. If you're reusing any parts, clean all the threads and surfaces to make sure everything seals tight and smooth. Another pro tip: occasionally inspect your sink trap for slow leaks or moisture buildup to catch trouble early before it turns into a full-on flood. Finally, keep a set of replacement nuts and washers handy so you're not scrambling when stuff breaks unexpectedly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sink trap leaks is over-tightening the plastic nuts, which just causes cracks and makes the leak worse. Fix this by using just enough force to seal things up snugly without stressing the plastic. Another common issue is ignoring worn washers or gaskets inside the trap. Even if the nuts look okay, those little rings are what really keep water sealed in, so swapping them out can save you headaches. Lastly, folks often forget to clean the threads and sealing surfaces before putting everything back together, so dirt or old residue stops a proper seal and causes leaks. Make sure you wipe everything clean before reassembling. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them directly with people who need their services, making the whole process way smoother for everyone.